In the biogeographical regions today, we will be discussing about South America. We have seen the different areas of the world, and only southern region that we haven't yet discussed is the South America. The history of the biota of South America has been dominated by the effect of the great earth engine of plate tectonics. So whatever the region we are discussing, the plate tectonics is a very dominant factor, but in case of South America, it is very potent factor as well. And the westward drift of the continent, mountain building, and consequent climate changing. So all of these things, these are a result of the plate tectonics, and these are influencing, and these are the effect by which the South America, the history of biota is affected by this. So the changes in its relationship with the North America as well. So we have seen that the North America is also having its own biota, and whenever in the history the South America was joined with the North America, it had some exchange of the biota with the North America as well. Exchange means it gave some of the species to the North America, and it also took some of the species with the North America as well. So there has been islands in the region ever since the Americas started to move westward in the early Cretaceous. And this may have been the route by which some North American dinosaurs dispersed southward in the Mid-Cretaceous, with some early types of marsupials and placental mammals. So early form of marsupial and placental mammals, not only these but also the dinosaurs, they dispersed into the South America from the North America. But this connection has always been tenuous. Tenuous means it has been changing. Sometimes it is there, sometimes it is not there. Sometimes permitting passages and sometimes becoming broken. This led to the cycles of immigration, isolation, and evolution, and then final new immigration and extinction. So all of these cycles in which the bridge is formed, species come, they are doing their evolution, they went extinct, and then again the bridge is formed, species again come, new immigration, and then extinction. So all of these cycles are present in the history of South America. So here you can see the times of origin of 37 independent lineages of endemic West Indian amphibians and reptiles from Hedges. So you can see the vicarious, there is the bolide impact, and then there is the dispersal. So here the Paleocene, Eocene, and Oligocene and Miocene, the mainly biodiversity of the Indian amphibian and reptiles, these West Indian amphibian and reptiles are marked by the dispersal. So the mammal fauna of South America today is characterized by a few marsupials, which are opossums, and a diversity of edentate placental mammals known as the Xenarthra, which are sloth, armadillo, South American anteater, and they are hardly known as elsewhere. So these are some things which you can only see in the South Americas. They have unique these endemic species which cannot be found elsewhere in the world. In the late Cretaceous, South America had a mammal fauna of strange marsupial and ungulate placentals, quite unlike anything known elsewhere in the world. So again, it was endemic, it was here, and it was present in the late Cretaceous. So we can see that how it has hosted, and there are the tropical history of this South American continent. It has a lot of forestation even today. There are large areas of it which are rainforest, a large biodiversity on the tropics. The Alfred Wallace noted that range of boundaries of Amazonian birds seem to coincide with the patterns of the river. So he studied the Amazon River, and he said that patterns of Amazon River, they are also ranges or the boundaries of the Amazonian birds as well. And it is fascinating that recent research shows that closely related taxa of some birds are to be found on either side of river throughout the Amazonia. So his observation has been validated through the recent research in the South America.